It's finally here! For today's video, mag-unboxing tayo ng DJI Osmo Pocket 2. So yung nakuha ko po ay yung DJI Osmo Pocket 2 Creator Combo. Nabili ko po siya sa Shopee during 11/11 sale. So far, the product is packed really well with all the reminders pa. Hopefully, everything is safe and secured inside. Hindi naman po ako nag-struggle masyado kasi mali-mali lang naman po yung ginupit ko. So besides the camera, bumili din po ako ng SD card na 128GB. Ito na po yung pinaka-box niya and it's still sealed. We're gonna open it and find out what's inside. So far, the quality is really nice. The materials used ay mukha naman pong matibay. Now this is the actual unit kasama yung kanyang case. It feels very light but also feels very well made. Hindi po siya mukhang cheap. I really like how small it is, and it's one of the reasons why I decided to buy it because it's so handy. Pwede mo lang siyang ilagay sa maliit na bag at hindi siya mahirap hawakan. So, ito naman po yung kanyang user's manual. Tapos, meron pa siyang additional accessories dun sa ilalim. Noong una, akala ko battery to. However, later on, I found out na ito pala isang extension in case you want to make the unit longer. And then, this is the microphone kung saan mo ikakabit yung dead cat. Tapos, eto, hindi ko alam kung para saan. Ito naman yung kinakabit kung gusto mo siyang tumayo mag-isa. It is actually made of metallic material, which means this is very durable and it will ensure na safe talaga yung camera mo. Let's remove the stickers. This camera is capable of shooting up to 4K resolution and has a battery life of 120 minutes. However, the higher the resolution, mas mabilis siyang mag-drain ng battery at mas malaking memory yung kakainin niya. So if you want to use this on 4K resolution all the time, then you need to have a memory card na malaki at you need to bring charger or power bank. So ngayon, ikakabit naman natin yung memory card dito sa ating camera. Ngayon naman ay kakabit na natin yung extension niya. Medyo mahirap lang po talaga siyang tanggalin kasi sobrang sikip po niya. Tapos nung sinubukan ko namang tanggalan yung extension, ay sobrang hirap din, kaya hinayaan ko na lamang siyang ganyan. Ngayon ay kakabit naman natin yung tripod. Actually, di ko alam kung tripod tawag dito, but if you know, please comment down below. Tapos, nung kinakabit ko na yung wireless mic dun sa dead cat, ayaw po niyang dumikit. Ayaw niya mag-snap. Parang may problema yung magnet.
No.
The first time I turned the unit on, it allowed me to choose the language immediately. And also, I forgot to mention na touchscreen pala siya. Ito naman po magiging itsura niya if you put it back in the hard case without removing the extension. Overall, I am very happy with this purchase, except dun sa part ng dead cat na ayaw dumikit. Hopefully, it will last. And if you want to see the video quality of this camera, please check out my next vlog. Ciao!